Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to It's got a nice car here for you this afternoon. This is a March 2014, 14 registered Titan Silver BMW 420D M Sport Coupe xDrive Auto. Euro 6 car, importantly, so ULEZ friendly for our London clients. Really nice looking thing. It's got the BMW M Sport Euro kit on it as well. We just had the wheels professionally refurbished in dark shadow chrome. It's got a good set of matching run flats all the way around, and a nice specification motor car. Done a smidge over 70,000 miles, guys. Concierge service, full black panel, internet, media package, BMW professional, real-time traffic information, enhanced Bluetooth with USB audio interface, obviously the 19-inch M double spoked style alloys, and sun protection costs. So a really nice car. Like I say, had a BMW Euro kit on it. It's sports exhaust back box. It's not noisy, it's just got a nice burble to it, but a really pretty price rangey 420D M Sport here that's ULEZ friendly, so it's going to have a big audience. Purpose of the video is to go around the car in detail, tell you a little bit more about it and as it goes. So coming off the front bumper apron, front and rear park sensing, guys, LED daytime running lights, been on private numbers, back on this age-related number now, got a V5 and 2 keys for it. Look, guys, car's 10 years old now, done 70,000 miles. You're going to have to forgive it the odd used car stone chip here and there, but in the round presents really well. It's a very bright motor car, this. Leading edge bonnet's clean and tidy, as are the headlamps. Black kidney grills there. Rest of the bonnet seems to be in good order. Correct BMW windscreen here, no major chips on it. As I said, we've got 2 keys for it. Roof's clean and tidy. It's got M4 style black mirrors on it, which I think look really mean and moody, but that's a good looking coupe. Obviously 4-wheel drive, diesel auto, Euro 6. Okay, up onto the front wing here on the passenger side, that's all clean and tidy. All the alloys, guys, have been in centre way to be professionally refurbished. 3-day process, expensive, in our favour, dark shadow chrome. I think this green really sets the car off. And as I say, the car's got a matching set of Faulkner run flat tyres, all at about 4 or 5 mil. Read the reviews on these, guys, they get rave reviews. Okay, very popular sports coupe, drives like a BMW should, great on fuel, cheap to run, obviously 4-wheel drive versatility as well, so that's perfect. Up on the front wing on the driver's side, that's all clean and tidy. That alloy is unmarked, having been professionally refurbished. That tyre is similar to the other one at 5-6 mil. Mirror houses this side clean and tidy, factory privacy, driver's doors clean, rear quarter all as it should be. Really bright car. Up onto the rear wheel here, that's as new. That tyre matching the front in terms of brand is at 4 or 5 mil. Inside the car's nice black aluminium. Just some marking there, guys, but look, guys, got rubber mats and carpet mats. I think that probably tells you all you need to know. A little bit of discolouring there, I think they all do that at 10 years old. Back seats look very little used. 4 services in total, guys, 3 on the monitor and 1 on an invoice. Little Oak's been trading since 2001, so over 22 years old now. Based in a little village called East Farley, just outside Maidstone in Kent. I've been in the industry 36 years, owned Oakles for 22 years. Read my reviews at Auto Trader, guys. I am well regarded. I'm a nice guy to buy used cars from. I've been doing it a long time. I'm very fair and straightforward. Have a look at those reviews and that'll bear that statement out. But back to this lovely 420 xDrive M Sport Coupe. Round to the back of the car, rear park sensing, rear lip spoiler, which is part of the styling pack, diffuser pack. As I say, it's got some sort of sports exhaust. It's not overly noisy, but it's got a nice burble to it. LED rear lights, but a bright car, right, for 10 years old. Partner finance with Close Brothers, so before you organise your money for this 420D, speak to me. I'll run a rec for this programme. That's to say, the better your financial standing in the community, the lower interest rate you'll pay with Close. Car leaves me with a 3-month dealer guarantee, 14-day money-back program to match the online providers, and I will prioritise people with part exchanges, guys. If you've got a lovely part exchange, I've got a massive cheque for that part exchange, okay, and you will go to the front of the queue. Cash buyers, bottom of the pile here at Oakwoods. I love part exchanges, and you'll be surprised at how much I pay for them. Down the passenger side, all clean and tidy. That alloy is as new. That's the last of the matching tyres at 4 or 5 mil. In performance, look at that. But you can just see, the car's been cherished, in beautiful condition. Got 2 keys, locking walnut key. There's a slight bit of wear there, guys. I'm not going to get involved. It's part of the patina of the car. Provenance check, tells you what it is. Tells you when it was first registered. 4 owners in total, guys. 10-year-old car, it's about right, I guess. No outstanding consumer finance, no accident history. Last serviced and MOT'd by this garage at that mileage in February 2022, so quite a lot was done. And then I've got all of the old MOTs, and as I say, there's 3 services on the monitor at 2015, 2017 and 2020, so reasonable history, guys. Driven the car drives lovely. You can just see. Lovely condition. Let's start her up for you. So the next service requirements is 12,000 miles, guys. Car's done, come up in a second. We've got cruise, Bluetooth. Car's done 73.36, heated seats, dual zone climate, DAB. That's the service history, guys. Okay, I'll put it on the adverts. And if I just whiz through the monitor, there is nothing required for at least a year, so you're not going to be spending any money on this motor car. All the nav works, all the park sensing works, the air is ice cold. So there we go. Guys, I get there's a few 420 xDrives for sale, M Sports. I also understand price is important, but I think just as important as price is what you buy. And this is a beautiful looking M Sports, and where you buy it from. I've been in business 22 years plus. I've got a great reputation. The company's Opus Group. My name's Nigel, based in a little village called East Folly, just outside Maidstone in Kent. If you're looking for a nice 420D xDrive this weekend,